in the quiet, where the water does not strive. The soul remembers its maker. Mist drifts low on ancient stone. Emerald seas breathe soft and slow. Here the heart no longer runs. No need to prove, no race to win. The cliffs stand still, they do not speak. Yet wisdom flows where words grow weak. I lay my burdens on the tide, and let the silence be my guide. By still waters my soul is restored. I lack no good thing, I trust in the Lord. Be still, and know He is God. In quiet depths His peace is found. By still waters I learn to wait, to listen more and walk in faith. Here my heart is held and fed by every word the Spirit said. Solitude calls me away from the noise, from restless fears and careless voice. Few are the words that wisdom needs, a calm reply, a guarded tongue. The patient heart, the gentle mind, find understanding in due time. I curb my speech, I calm my breath, for life and death are shaped by words. By still waters my soul is restored. I lack no good thing, I trust in the Lord. Be still, and know He is God. In quiet depths His peace is found. By still waters I learn to restraint, a quiet strength, a humble faith. The calmest spirit sees the way, and walks in light both night and day. I pour my heart out, not my noise. I wait for Him, I trust His voice. The wind obeys, the waters cease. When heaven whispers, live in peace. Wisdom grows where silence stays, not in the rush but in the pause. The one who listens understands. The one who waits is truly strong. The bay reflects the sky above, as still as prayer, as deep as love. No striving here, no anxious plea, just presence, you and me. A gentle spirit, softly formed, is richer far than gold adorned. Content to walk, content to stand, held secure in God's own hand. By still waters my soul is restored. My cup runs over, says the Lord. Be still, and know He reigns. Above the seas, beyond my pain. In solitude I hear Him clear. The quiet truth that conquers fear. With fewer words and deeper trust, I rest in God. How long sleeps beneath the sky? And so, at last, do I.
At the edge of the water, where limestone meets the sky, I have learned that silence speaks. Mist rises from the emerald sea. Stone and water breathe as one. Boats drift slowly, saying nothing, yet their lessons already sung. Here the heart begins to listen. When the world is set aside, in the quiet I remember, I am not the one who guides. Still waters restore my soul. Here I lay my burdens down. Be still, the whisper calls me home. know that I am God resounds. In these depths I have no lack. Provision flows without a sound. Still waters, ancient and kind, are where my restless heart is found. The wise speak less and weigh their breath. A calm spirit guards the mind. Words restrained are strength, not weakness. Peace is not so hard to find. I have learned to curb the thunder of opinions, fear, and pride. For a gentle tongue and patient heart walk together side by side. Still waters feed my waiting soul, a quiet feast, a sacred space. I say little, listen more, and meet my Maker face to face. In the hush, my spirit learns what shouting never could allow. Still waters teach the willing heart to bow and listen now. I pour my heart out in the silence. Not many words, but all that's true. He hears the sigh beneath the prayer, the unspoken ache I never knew. Solitude is not my absence. It is presence fully known. Waiting becomes conversation when I'm never there alone. Still waters are my retreat, a place of nourishment and grace, where trust is formed in listening, not in haste or empty praise. I seek the voice beyond a noise, the God who speaks when I am still. Still waters shape a gentle heart, aligned at last with heaven's will. In Halong Bay, I learned this truth. Wisdom grows in silence.